Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Still not a part. Kind of bring you up to date. About a few weeks ago, found a pretty sweet deal on another motor. Got a text that next morning. So I just had a feeling the guy just did not want to sell the motor. So that deal fell through. You know, I really like to have two motors, but then again, I love the idea of making this one a little bit bigger. Just go ahead and put it back like it is. Save a little bit of money, put it back together, and just get it up and running. Let's get some racing in. The motor is running great, but I do know we're going to have to tear apart anyway. There we go. Got one of the heads off already. Get ready to pull this head off next and all that good stuff. Mains and some rods, bearings in. Basically what I decided to go ahead and do for right now, I'm going to go ahead and decide to go ahead and just put this thing back like it was. I am not going to do anything to the motor. I know, a bunch of guys probably disappointed in that and all that good stuff. There's nothing wrong with this motor. And we are actually going to put a pressure light on it. So I have always had this on the block. So guarantee if the light comes on, there's no oil pressure on this motor. I don't need to incur any more expenses than I have to. Yep. Some of my bolts holes with the bell housing was stripped out. Put helicoils in them. If I get the damn thing started. There, it stopped right there. And just like that, put 3 helicoils in. Crank is out. What do we have out here? Pistons are out. Block is out, sitting down. We got my bearings in. Okay, well that's it for this video. So anyway, with that, sure do appreciate it. Keep watching my videos, share it, like it.